Morning. We had a bit of a rough day yesterday. There was just so many people all piling into one town that we ended up in some sort of bed race and we lost. So this morning we got up really early at about 5 o'clock and started walking just before the sun came up. So now the sun is rising. We've been walking for an hour and a half in the dark or in the morning light, and it's been really pretty. So we're looking forward to having some breakfast, and which will happen in about another 2 hours or so, as we have a very long stretch with no villages ahead.
Carrion's singing. Let's try and catch her out. Okay, it's 11:30 and we've reached the town of Legolas.
It's not Legolas.
Legolas, and we're gonna.
Legolas.
No, it's Legolas, and we're gonna have a cup of tea and maybe a toilet break for some people. And then we're walking on to Tarantula, where we'll stay for the night. That's what I said, Tarantula. So now Gailey may be pronouncing some of these names incorrectly, and I apologise for that. And that's our accommodation for the night right there in front of us. Well, this is our accommodation for the night, for those who are interested. We pay €10 each for a room with only 4 bunks in it, so the more you pay, the less bunks you have. But this is quite comfortable, it's nice and cool, right next to the window, got our own bathroom and shower in there, so this is probably one of the nicer ones we've stayed at.